Mr. Chairman, sir, I deem it a privilege to speak on this motion of thanks moved by my friend full stop. It is but natural that the president should have dealt at length on the very hopeful economic situation and the economic scene that is there in our country full stop. India is certainly, as the president has put it, emerging from the worst period of economic crisis and is on the road to economic recovery full stop. He has also given in his address the milestones that this country has crossed in the field of agriculture, in the field of industry, and in the field of imports as well as exports full stop. The country is today exporting more and more and is importing less and less full stop. This is the salient feature of the whole economy of our country full stop. A basic question arises: how far this country is going to get the advantage which this economic recovery has given to us? Question mark. It is necessary that we should apply ourselves to the basic policies in the field of economic recovery and agricultural development full stop. Unless we try to devote our attention to implement the land reform laws in agriculture, I do not think we shall be able to get the gains that this economic situation has given. Full stop, paragraph change. In the field of food problem, also a stage has come when it is desirable for this country to adopt a national food budget full stop. For industrial development, it is desirable that we should lay more and more emphasis on public sector development rather than on the private sector full stop. These questions, I feel, are to be solved by our government, and that is what the president expects in his address to full stop, paragraph change. More than all this, what I consider as a very welcome feature of the presidential address is the announcement about the beginning of the fourth plan as such full stop. Up till now, we have been having plans, and there was a feeling in this country that we may not have any plan at all, that there may be a total holiday as such full stop. This feeling that there will be a plan holiday has been removed by the very statement of the Honorable President full stop close.